Okay, this is just a bonus. Not really a bonus, but something I noticed and I wanted to take care of it now is every freaking side marker, at least that I've heard, no matter who you buy it from, is gonna burn out. And as you can see here on mine that I got from Diodynamics, water got into the connector. Now from what I see here, it's not diode's fault. Because if you look right through, see that? The connector pins and the cover are all exposed from the backside. The pins here are all okay. They have the weather seal on the wire, but it's exposed inside. So any slight chance of water that's gonna get in there, which it did, is going to. So what I'm going to do, come on, focus, you motherfucker, is when I put it in, and you can see here the O-ring for it, it's not tore up or nothing. There's a little bit of residue in there, but I blew it all out with compressed air. I'm gonna see what happens and see how long it holds up. I'm gonna go with electrical tape on the back of the connector, and then I'm gonna go over with harness tape, so that way I can make sure that I put as tight of a seal on the back end here as I can. It's fucking weird. You hear fucking noises and shit when you're over here working by yourself. Anyways, there's that. Okay, this looks like fucking shit. Alright, I think the best thing to do, if you really wanted to, is take these two pins out, depin it, put a piece of heat shrink here with probably the same thing, like the same weather harness, kind of weather strip that you have there. Like one piece here and one piece here, and heat shrink it here. I think that would be probably the best solution. But anyways, this fucking half-ass bullshit here is gonna fucking work for the meantime. So that's part of my fucking solution. At least I fucking figured it out. The water's getting inside there. Hopefully water doesn't get out into it anymore. But whatever. Put this shit back. And there we go. It fucking works. For now, at least. I don't fucking know how much longer this shit's gonna take up. But July something of 2019, this repair has been done. So we'll see what the fuck happens and see how long it holds up, especially the rainy and bullshit a lot now during summer. So there's that. If you know a better way to fucking fix it, at least you know part of the fucking part of the problem right now. The water is getting in there, so either you heat shrink it, do whatever the fuck you want to do. I don't give a shit. Fucking boil it, cook it, fucking take it out to dinner. I don't know what the fuck you want to do, but sealing it is going to be the best thing you're going to need to do for fixing that motherfucking light.